Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Let's see an interesting question. If x plus a is a factor of the polynomial x square plus px plus q and x square plus mx plus n, prove that a is equal to n minus q by m minus p. Children, this type of questions when you read you will feel it is difficult. But trust me, these are the easiest sums. Children, whenever x plus a is a factor of a polynomial, of any polynomial, we know that by factor theorem p of minus a will become 0. Okay, if x plus a is the factor, p of minus a 0 हो जाएगा. If x minus a is a factor of a polynomial, that implies p of positive a will become 0. Okay, now let us substitute minus a in both the polynomials, as x plus a is a factor of both these polynomials. So let us take the first polynomial, minus a whole square plus p times minus a plus q is equal to 0 because it's a factor. If you have a negative sign and it is a square, if it's an even exponent, then the answer will be positive. Okay, so a square plus into minus is minus, a times p plus q is equal to 0. Let us take it as equation number 1. And abhi dekho, x plus a is a factor of this polynomial also. So substitute minus a whole square plus m times minus a plus n is also equal to 0. So minus a whole square is a square plus into minus is minus, a times m plus n is equal to 0. This is equation number 2. Children, what we are supposed to prove, a is equal to, that means we don't have any a square. So both are positive a square. If I want to eliminate this a square, we are supposed to subtract equation 1 and 2 because both are positive a square. If I subtract equation 1 by equation 2, that the signs will change, hence a square term will get eliminated. So let us subtract both the equations which we got. Okay, so a square minus am plus n is equal to 0. Whenever you are subtracting, children, the signs of the second equation will change. Plus a square will become minus a square, minus am will become plus am, plus n will become minus n, and this is fine, this is 0 anyhow. Plus a square gets cancelled, minus ap plus am plus q minus n is equal to 0, right? Now children, in this, can I take a common? Yes or no? For this both terms a is there, so take a common. So first let me write the positive term. So what I am left with, m negative p is left. Okay, now take this both the terms that side, you will get minus q plus n. Okay, can I also write this as n minus q? I am trying to write positive term first, so it can also be written as n minus q. So we want a is equal to n minus q, which is in RHS, m minus p transpose to m minus p, right? If I transpose that, we will get by m minus p. That is what we are supposed to prove. A is equal to n minus q by m minus p. Children, let us see one more question. If 1 and minus 1 are the zeros of the polynomial Lx to the power of 4 plus mx cube plus nx square plus rx plus p, then show that L plus n plus p is equal to m plus r, which is equal to 0. Same thing, children, this is also a very easy question. So 1 and minus 1 are the zeros of the polynomial. So substitute कर दीजिए, जहाँ भी x है 1 से और minus 1 से भी substitute कीजिए. So let us first put p of 1. Okay, if these are the zeros, so finally the polynomial will become 0, right? So L into 1 to the power of 4 plus m into 1 cube plus n into 1 square plus r into 1 plus p is equal to power of 4 is 1, 1 times L is L plus 1 cube is 1, 1 into m is m plus again n plus r times 1 is r plus p is equal to 0. Let us take it as equation number 1. Now p of minus 1 is also a 0 of this polynomial. So wherever x is there, put -1. Okay, plus m times -1 whole cube plus n into -1 whole square plus r into -1 plus p is equal to 0. Okay, now what we will get, children? It's an even exponent, so this negative sign, if you multiply 4 times, it will become positive. So we are left with L times 1, which is L. Here it is a -1, with here the exponent is odd, that's why we will get a negative sign minus m. Okay, now this is square even number, this will become positive, so plus n. Now this is plus into minus is minus r plus p is equal to 0. Let us take it as equation number 2. Now let us add equation 1 and 2. Add 1 and 2 equations. Get L plus M plus N plus R plus P is equal to 0. L minus M plus N minus R plus P is equal to 0. I am writing equation 1 and 2 and I am going to add both of it. ठीक है, I think this is clear to you. चलो, अब whenever we are adding, just signs कुछ नहीं change होगा. अब opposite signs है, plus m minus m will get cancelled, plus r minus r will get cancelled. So what we are left with? We are left with L plus L is 2L, n plus n is 2n, plus p is 2p is equal to 0. अब 2 कॉमन ले लीजिए, क्या मिलेगा? L plus n plus p is equal to 0. और can I write it as L plus n plus p is equal to 0 by 2 हो जाएगा, तो we will get 0. So first one is done. Okay, they are asking us to show that L plus n plus p is equal to 0. Now m plus r will also be equal to 0. Now let us subtract. First we added, now let us subtract 1 and 2. Equation 1 and 2. What is equation 1? We have L plus m plus n plus r plus p is equal to 0 है ना. And equation 2 क्या है? L minus m plus n minus r plus p is equal to 0. Children, whenever we subtract, क्या होता है? The second equation signs will change. ये plus L है, तो it will become minus L. Okay, minus sign है, it will become plus. This is plus, hence it will become minus. This is minus, it will become plus. This is plus, it will become minus. L will get cancelled. Plus n minus n will get cancelled. Plus p minus p will get cancelled. ठीक है. So what we are left with? अब ये positive m, ये positive m है. So 2m, and we are left with this part, right? Positive r plus it will become 2r positive is equal to 0. अब 2 कॉमन ले लीजिए. What we are left with? m plus r is equal to 0. If we transpose this 2 beta, so it will become 0 only. So m plus r is equal to 0. So we have proved that both L plus n plus p is equal to 0 and also m plus r is equal to 0. For more interesting sums, please subscribe, like, share and comment.